If you can master this skill of trading, you can unlock an incredibly scalable income-generating machine for yourself. But if you start learning the wrong way, you risk years of your life and thousands of dollars during that time. Trust me when I say this, these mistakes can be avoided. I've been trading for more than 5 years now, and before I reached the point of where I could make $3,000 to $4,000 in a single session, I have almost 5 million in capital and created a group of successful students of price who are changing their lives just at this right moment. I wasted years and I lost thousands of dollars during that process. Had I known at that time what I'm going to outline for you in this video, I could have saved so much time and frustration. My goal here is simple. I want you to feel like you're sitting right next to me while we break down the exact no bullshit formula to start trading the right way. My students have not been only able to understand how the market delivers, where the next big move is going to happen, but also to profit from it pretty much on a daily basis. And here's what we're going to cover. First, we're gonna take a look at where would I start my journey if I was starting as a trader today. Second, we're gonna take a look at how to read the marketplace properly. Third, we're gonna find you your best and most suitable entry model, and we're gonna dive into a little bit of backtesting and psychology for the step 4 of this video. By the end of this video, you'll have the foundation to start trading the right way, avoid mistakes that cost me years, and set yourself up for success. All right, let's get into it. First, let's talk about where would I start my journey if I was starting from the ground up. If you're seriously looking at trading for the first time, you've never seen TradingView, or you've never seen a candle print, I think this is the right place, and Baby Pips is the place to go. If you're literally taking your first step as a trader, my suggestion is to go for Baby Pips. Start there, enjoy what they have to say about the marketplace, enjoy what they have to say about how the marketplace behaves, why the marketplace is so important, and why there's no ceiling to how much profitability you can achieve through it. It's a very beginner friendly tool that won't teach you how to trade, but will teach you how the marketplace works. Start there, and if you already do trade, I think finding something that you like is gonna be very, very important for you. If you already do trade or have experience and you're still failing, you should really try to find something that works for you first. Whether it is a time frame, whether it is a specific chart, an asset class, maybe some sort of approach on how you want to engage with the marketplace. Maybe it has something to do with you right now being full-time employed, so you can't watch the marketplace open up at 9:30, right? Find something that you like, find something that works for you. And I'm leading this into a place where you should do a lot of digging, because your job is to figure out how the marketplace actually works before you open any positions. There's where it's the main difference between what I speak and all other influencers on trading are approaching you with. I'm not suggesting for you to get used to trading. I put it in brackets here. By opening positions, I'm suggesting you to getting used to trading by tape reading, by doing the digging, by understanding how the marketplace works. And exactly here's the place where a lot of people are going to fail. A lot of you guys will try to get used to trading by executing. A lot of you guys are gonna be trying to get used to trading by taking a losing trade, taking a winning trade. Doesn't matter what kind of trade, but taking a position. In my opinion, this is where majority of people fail, and you're gonna be wasting a lot of time and especially money if you go that route. Don't look to execute yet. Look to get used to trading by watching the marketplace, by watching something that you really enjoy or really like. Try to focus on understanding how the marketplace actually works. This is my second step for you guys. The first thing that I would suggest you to understand is how the marketplace delivers. The marketplace delivers usually towards imbalances, it delivers towards equilibrium, or it delivers towards liquidity pools where a lot of orders are residing in the marketplace. Let me show you around. When the marketplace is going lower, higher, let's say, suddenly there will be a big move in the marketplace, we call it an impulse, where some imbalances are gonna open up. If the candle prints, usually you're gonna see literally a gap in marketplace where two candles are literally just not touching each other. Those will be imbalances that the marketplace will be looking to deliver at some point. Go take a look at the marketplace yourself. The marketplace is gonna be in love with imbalances like that. So first, understand the marketplace goes towards imbalances and is always interested to cover the basis in terms of price delivery using that. Second thing that the marketplace will usually deliver, equilibrium. I'm putting a range here where you have quarters to the marketplace in terms of the low of the marketplace and the high of the marketplace, right? Take a look at where the equilibrium is. I literally drawn it out like this, not randomly, but what I'm trying to say here, that the marketplace, which is trading, what is it? It's, let's say, bullish, been running higher, is gonna want to retrace. And the retracements are usually going to tag 50% of the marketplace. Whether it was the most previous low, most previous high, the marketplace is gonna be looking to deliver equilibrium. Why the imbalances? Why the equilibrium? Why are they important? They're important because the marketplace is a zero-sum game. If there's only two people in the marketplace, with one of them being me and the second of them being you, I have to sell for you to buy into a position, right? You have to sell for me to buy into the position. The marketplace works like a zero-sum game, looking for imbalances and looking for equilibrium. So by the end of the day, everybody who's supposed to be happy will be happy. Second place that the marketplace will deliver that might surprise some of you is going to be liquidity. Liquidity usually appears by, for example, double top being booked into the marketplace, because when people will see a double top booked into the marketplace, just like here, they will believe that, oh, the marketplace found support, the marketplace found resistance, it's going lower now because a double top just formed. This is such a key level. What you will see, and I love doing this with my mentorship, with my Discord community, you'll see that the marketplace will deliver that double top with quite a sudden, quite a hectic, and quite a speed run towards it. Why? Because a lot of orders are residing there. A lot of people have put their stop losses there. So the marketplace has to stay liquid, just like we explained, has to find the right imbalances and equilibrium. And you're gonna see that a lot of imbalances might be resting up above a double top like this, where the marketplace is gonna deliver. So what did we go through so far? If you're just starting off, baby pips. If you're not, find something that you like. Try to get used to trading it, please keep that in mind. And now I went into you understanding how the marketplace actually delivers, which is imbalances, which is equilibrium, liquidity that might be resting above or below the current marketplace. Incredibly important thing that you have to learn to start trading this year is a trading model. So for that, I have my own Picasso's fair value gap model that we developed last year in 2024. We ran a challenge from 5K to 50K to literally showcase that this model and this entry strategy works. And I live streamed it every single day towards my Discord community and towards the people that were just keen on learning how can you find a model that actually works. With this, let me just simply show it to you. The model itself is called Picasso's fair value gap model, and it has only 3 steps to it. For you to find the entry towards this model is to realize that the marketplace is not spinning 24/7. The marketplace has to close and the marketplace has to open. We have the previous day here closing at 55.87, and we have today's price action at 9:30 opening up at 56.35 and a half. Right? Once we get that down, what I will allow the marketplace to do is I will allow the marketplace to form the first imbalance in terms of fair value gap in the marketplace. Okay, we have the range which is quite heavy. The range is pretty big here, to be fair with you. We have the first presented fair value gap of the day, and then we're gonna allow the marketplace to continuously go and wait for that first presented fair value gap of the day to be inverted, meaning that we will wait for the marketplace to close below the low of the imbalance itself, right? And once we get that down, it's already 2 steps covered into this entry strategy, which makes it so easy. Once we get that, I'm gonna literally open up my position towards lower prices, looking for the marketplace to engage with the regular trading hours closure or the regular trading hours bottom in this time, right? Because again, the marketplace had to close at some point. It closes at 4:15 New York time and it opened up at 9:30. Once we get that down, we wait for the first presented fair value gap to get inverted, and we then allow the marketplace to crash, kind of participating in it while it's taking a short position. Let's play this out. Wasn't this price delivery just beautiful? This is one of the models that you can use to find strategies that can allow you not only to read the marketplace, that I very much emphasize, but also to allow you to participate in the market. One very important thing to mention, which is step number 4. Step number 4 in terms of how to start trading in 2025 is one of the most important steps. I don't want you to start trading right away because you went through baby pips, you realized how imbalances work, you realized how the marketplace delivers. It's a zero-sum game, plus you took my Picasso's fair value gap entry model, and then you go start bombarding the marketplace with orders and you start failing. What I want you to do is to avoid that, focus on building out experience and doing some backtesting. Experience is gonna be built out for you with time, but you can escalate the growth of experience by backtesting, by literally deciding with a coin flip that today I'm gonna take a look at the 15th of January price action and I'm gonna look for the model to understand whether it pans out or not, right? You can backtest the strategies that I'm providing you or the strategies that you feel like you like from other mentors, other traders, other influencers, doesn't matter. You can maybe even come up with a strategy of your own. Today, when I woke up, sun was already shining. I'm gonna go long because of that. Tomorrow, when I wake up and this sun is not up yet, I'm gonna be shorting this day. Try this out. There's something that can be brought into the profitability, whatever strategy you use, if you only understand how the marketplace delivers the price. So understand how liquidity and imbalances are being filled while as the price delivers. Look to find a certain model that you're gonna use, for example, Picasso's fair value gap, and try to backtest it and gain as much experience as you can before you open up your first position in the real game, in the real marketplace. So there you have it, 4 easy steps to get started in trading today. But if you want to take action now, go ahead and join my Discord community for more in-depth guidance and feel free to ask me any questions. I'm there pretty much every single day, helping traders just like you to succeed. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, if you feel that there's anyone who could benefit from this, feel free to share it with them. Thank you once more for watching this, and I'm gonna say until next time, bye.